Let's dive in and get your fence refreshed by the end of the weekend. Pick a dry day between 50 and 90 degrees. Trim grass and plants that brush against the fence and cover anything nearby. Scrape off any peeling paint and lightly sand the surface. Clean the fence with a stiff bristle brush and deck cleaner, or use a pressure washer, then rinse and let dry. Stain protects and enhances the natural wood grain. If this is the look you're going for, start with the vertical posts. Then follow the grain on pickets. Wait about an hour, then apply a second coat if needed. Paint will also help protect the wood, but it gives a completely different look. Start with a coat of primer first, or use an all-in-one paint and primer. Let it dry before applying a second coat. Staining a wood fence or adding a fresh coat of paint makes a dramatic impact in your landscape and protects your investment.